Okay, next question, question 25. In the grid below, alright, draw the top and front view of the solid as shown in the grid below. So top view is over here, right? You look down. When you look down, from far away especially, you're only gonna be able to see 3 cubes here by 2 cubes here, like that, lying down like that. So you're just gonna see, okay, 3, okay, by 2 cubes, like that. In fact, okay, I don't have a ruler on the computer, so please do use a ruler as a student taking the examinations. Okay, he's gonna see something like that, 3 by 2, okay. And then from the front view, which is this direction, okay, especially from far away, I'm only gonna be able to see this 3 by 2 in terms of the height here, okay. But then over here, this is empty, right? This whole part is empty. There isn't any block. So you're gonna have, okay, it's a by 3, right? You have 2, and then you only have 1. Alright? From the front view, that's what's gonna look like. Okay? If I use green, this part is essentially this part. Okay? And the pink part is essentially this one. Okay? And this part that's missing is this one that is missing. Okay? Let's erase everything away to make it clearer for yourself. Okay? So this should be your final answer. Alright? Question 26. John had a 1 meter long wire. He used some of it to form a square and 2 identical equilateral triangles. What's equilateral? Equilateral means all sides are the same. So this is the same as this, this is the same as this, this is the same as this, same as this, same as this, because this triangle is the equivalent as this triangle. Okay? The length of XY is 16 cm. So we already established that this length is the same as this length here. So one of them will be just 8, okay? Both are 8. So this is also 8, this is also 8, this is also 8, this is also 8. And this is a square, okay? So this is also 8, this is also 8, this is also 8. So how many 8s do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 9 8s. So 9 times 8 is 72. Okay, cm, 8 cm. So answer is 1 meter, which is 100 cm, minus 72 cm. Answer should be 28 cm. Okay, 28 cm left unused. Question 27. Tank A has a square base, area of 144 cm square. Alright. Given the ratio of the height of the tank to the breadth of the tank is 5:3, what is the capacity of tank A? Okay, ratio of the height to the breadth is 5:3. Okay, so square area, which means the length times breadth, is 144. Alright. Based on experience, the answer should be 12 for each side. Okay. What is the capacity of tank A? So if you if you solve this question from another approach, your length, okay, this is your breadth, right? This is your length, right? This is your height, right? Okay. Since it's a square, your length is also 3 units, okay? So anyway, based on experience, the 144 cm square is contributed by 12 times 12 cm. Okay, if you square root your 144, you will get 12, but you can't use a calculator, so in a sense you have to use a bit of a smart guess, and then you check your answer by doing manual calculations like this. Okay, so you have already found that one side is 12 cm, which means 3 units is 12 cm. Alright, which means 1 unit is 4 cm, 5 unit is 20 cm. So the capacity means volume, so it's going to be 20 cm times 12 cm times 12 cm, or you can write 20 cm times 144 cm square. Okay, so 144 times 20, okay, is essentially just 144 times 2, and then you add a 0 at the end later on. Okay, so answer is 2880 cm cubed. Okay. Question 28. The figure below not drawn to scale is made out of two trapeziums, ABCD and ADEF. Given that FE is parallel to AD and is parallel to BC, find angle CDE. So trapezium, if you revise your concept, okay, it can look like this. Alright, it can look like this. Okay, this is parallel to this, this is parallel to this. If you revise the concept, you're going to remember that this angle and this angle you add together is 180 degrees. This angle you add to this angle is 180 degrees. This angle with this angle added together is 180. This angle and this angle added together is 180. So I can safely say that this angle added to this angle will be 180, which means that my angle EDA is 180 minus 125. Okay, and then I can also safely say that this angle and this angle would be 180, which means my angle ADC is 180 minus 130. Now let's do the calculation. 180 minus 130 will be 50. Okay, go back to this one. 180 minus 125 will be 55. Right? So the question is asking for which angle? It's already labeled for you. This angle, right? Which is the sum of EDA and ACD. 50 plus 55 equals to 105. Okay? Question 29. The figure below is made out of two triangles, ABC and BCD. BCD is an isosceles triangle. Find BEC. BCD is an isosceles triangle. So it's this and this line. Isosceles triangle, if you remember, the base angles, these two, will be the same. Okay? Because it's formed by, in a sense, equal lines. They share this line, and then this is the same as this line. So over here, this is going to be 50 minus 20, which is 30. And I think you can find the answer already. So angle BEC is essentially this triangle, okay, which gives you a sum of 180 minus 30 minus 50. Answer is 100. Okay. The bar graph below shows how Ellie spends her monthly salary. Okay, what percentage of the salary did she spend on transport? So this kind of question, you have no choice but to look at every single bar. For rental, how much does rental cost? It is, okay, let me get a finer tip. This is 1200, this is 1400, right? And how many divisions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 intervals, and it's a difference of 200, which means that one interval is 40. So this is gonna be 1240. This is 1280. This is 1320. This shall be 1360. Alright. Savings, easily, you can tell it's 600. Transport is 240. Remember, increment of 40 by every interval. Food is 800. So total salary is 1360 plus 600 plus 240 plus 800 is 3000. Okay, that's the total salary. So what percentage, okay, did she spend on transport? Okay, so I'm going to use 240 over 3000 times 100%. 0 and 0 can cancel away. You are left with 24 over 300. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 300 divided by 3 is 100 times another 100. So this can be divided by this. It's just going to be 8%. Okay, this is how you solve it without a calculator. Oh, this is the end of booklet B. So I hope you have enjoyed this video as well as learned a lot of important concepts, okay, about how to answer your questions in the math paper for PSLE syllabus. Alright, I know that now with the COVID-19 situation, all of you may feel a bit worried that you are not going to school and really seeing your teachers and listening to classes in person, but I think the whole learning process is still something that is very much to do with your own discipline and your own drive, motivation, okay? So hopefully this video that I put up online for free will be able to help you in your preparation. But I also do provide a lot more videos on the topical concepts as well as all these test papers, step-by-step instructional guide on how to solve it, that you can purchase from. So if you are interested, feel free to reach out to me via the email address that I've provided on this channel. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a great day ahead. Bye bye.